If you're tired of the same old 9-to-5 grind that never seems to pay you enough, you're watching the perfect video. I'm about to show you how to make some serious cash and, believe it or not, actually have fun doing it. In this video, we're going to learn how to make $200 per hour with none other than ChatGPT and Midjourney AI. That's right, we're bringing together two of the hottest names in the AI industry right now to bring you an incredible opportunity that you won't want to miss. And I'll be going into exactly what you need to do step by step. So be sure to pay close attention right until the end, because you definitely don't want to miss any important money-making details. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open up ChatGPT and Midjourney.com. ChatGPT is an incredibly powerful tool that allows you to generate text using advanced natural language processing algorithms. It's like having your own personal writing assistant who can help you come up with creative ideas, expand on your thoughts, and even generate entire stories from a single prompt. Alongside that, we have Midjourney.com, which is a fantastic platform that provides you with a huge library of royalty-free images, illustrations, and designs. You can use these visuals to enhance your stories, bring your ideas to life, and create stunning graphics for your social media accounts, blog posts, or even business presentations. By combining the power of ChatGPT and the vast collection of visual assets from Midjourney.com, you can create amazing content that captures your audience's attention, resonates with their emotions, and inspires them to take action. Step 2. Generate a short story in Spanish with ChatGPT. Writing a short story can be a fun and rewarding experience. But sometimes it can be challenging to come up with an interesting plot, cool characters, and captivating dialogue. This is where ChatGPT comes in handy. Now, you might be thinking, why Spanish? I don't know any Spanish. Lucky for you, ChatGPT knows a bunch of different languages. So, whatever you want it to do, it can do accurately in a ton of different languages, which is such a powerful tool to have under your belt. With ChatGPT, you can generate text using natural language processing algorithms that can help you come up with new ideas, expand on your thoughts, and even generate entire stories from a single prompt, even if it's in Spanish. To get started, we need to ask Google Translate how to say, "Write a brief story about a brave girl saving the medieval castle from a monster" in Spanish. The translation is, "Escribe una breve historia sobre una chica valiente que salva el castillo medieval de un monstruo." Now that we have our prompt, it's time to use ChatGPT to generate our short story. Simply input the prompt into the bar here and watch as it generates a unique story for you, literally within minutes. Just look at that. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Step 3. Head back to Midjourney.com. To find the perfect image for your story, head over to Midjourney.com and enter the prompt, "Imagine a medieval girl saving the old castle from a monster," in the search bar. This will generate a list of images that fit the theme of your story and provide inspiration for visual elements you can include in your content. I would recommend that when you choose an image, you should be sure to consider the style, composition, and the colors used. Look for an image that fits the tone and mood of your story and helps show the emotions you want to evoke in your audience. Once you've found the perfect image, download it and incorporate it into your content. You can use it to create a header image for your blog post, a cover for your social media post, or even just as a visual aid to bring your story to life. Step 4. Head over to CPA Grip. CPA Grip is an online platform that gives you access to a variety of offers and promotions that you can use to incentivize your audience to take action. These offers can include things like free trials, product discounts, or even giveaways. By using these offers, you can encourage your audience to engage with your content and take the action you want them to take, which could be clicking on the link and submitting their emails or something really simple like that. What I love about CPA, or cost per action marketing, is that people don't actually have to make a purchase for you to earn money. As it says in the name, they just have to perform a simple action like giving their email, downloading an app, or something like that. So the chances of you making money are very high because people don't have to spend money and there's usually something in it for them to do the action, such as giving their email address to enter an iPhone giveaway. To find a giveaway offer on CPA Grip, head over to the platform and browse through the available offers. Use the search function to filter the results by language and look for offers that are in Spanish. Once you've found an offer that interests you, it's time to figure out if it's a giveaway or not. This is where Google Translate comes in handy. Simply copy and paste the offer description into Google Translate and see if the word giveaway or sorteo appears anywhere in the text. If the offer is actually a giveaway, it's time to put it into your content. So, all you have to do is grab your CPA affiliate link for the giveaway offer, and I would recommend heading over to bit.ly.com or any other link shortening site like that to shorten your link. Copy your shortened link and save it somewhere. This is really important. Link shortening just makes the link more unique and can make long and clunky links look more attractive and legit. Once you have your link, you can include a call to action in your story, inviting your audience to participate in the giveaway by signing up through your unique link. This can help increase engagement with your content and encourage your audience to take action. By using CPA Grip to find giveaway offers in Spanish, you can basically motivate your audience to engage with your content and take the action you want them to take. Whenever people complete an action, like submitting their email address, you'll earn money. The amount of money that you'll earn will be different depending on the offer that you choose and the country that you're targeting. Of course, we're doing today's method in Spanish, but you could do it in French, Italian, English, or any other language where the pay is high. Just have a look through CPA Grip and figure out what's best for you. Don't be shy with getting creative. Step 5. Upload your story to medium.com. So, you've got an awesome story and a powerful image that will grab people's attention. Now all that's left is getting traffic. This is where Medium comes in. Medium.com is a popular platform for writers and bloggers to share their stories and ideas with a wider audience. This platform has a whopping 85 to 100 million users. So by uploading your story to Medium, you can reach a large and diverse audience that will be interested in your content. Remember the all-important call to action CTA to your story, which can boost engagement by getting readers involved and get people to click on your affiliate link to make you money. To upload your story to Medium, create an account if you haven't already and head on over to the New Story page. Copy and paste your ChatGPT generated story into the text editor and format it like you want. Be sure to add in the designs from Midjourney.com to add an extra oomph to the story and make it more visually engaging. Once you're happy with the content, it's time to add a